Hello creative people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rianti. In today's video, I will show you painting lavender. I hope you really enjoy it. I'm working with couple colors here. I use purple, ultramarine, and cadmium red. And I'm mixing olive green and green deep for the greenery. I will draw some lavender flowers with a nice composition here. I start with the greenery first. I draw stem from bottom to up. And I'm doing this green top part of the lavender. I draw the leaf at the bottom. Lavender has very thin and wispy leaf. For painting today, I use brush number 5 from Winsor & Newton. Now I paint a bunch of flower. I use my brush to make this teardrop type shape. If you see lavender on the reference image, usually the flower are thicker and bigger at the bottom and it gets smaller toward the top. For the second flower, I want it to be more curved. I use the same composition as the first flower, bigger at the bottom and smaller at the top. And I just going through to add more detail to the flowers. I am taking a darker purple color and apply it to the first flower, because some of the flowers are more dry. And I decided put the highlight with pink color at the back of the flowers. Move to the next flower. I draw lavender that have a few of flowers here and just draw the flower until you're happy with the composition. For the final touch, you can detailing your painting. Use darker color to the flowers and don't forget to detailing the stem also. Yup, the painting is done. I really enjoying doing this painting and I really want to know your thought. So comment below. Please hit the subscribe button. It makes such a huge difference to me and I will see you soon with the new tutorial.